The best pickpockets will take the credit card, but the really good pickpockets will just take the information off it. Look at the card, turn it over. The number's gone, it's on the pen.
Let's be honest, in 2026, the buzzwords in the magic community are everyday carry. You see, the reason is simple. More than ever, there's more people and more performers in the magic community than ever before. So they want something that they can keep on them and they can perform anytime, anywhere.
Yo!
I wanted to have an incredible moment of close-up magic that would play to a big group of people, but is visual enough and intimate enough to perform in a one-on-one basis.
This is my credit card. That 16-digit number is on every single card. Sometimes it's on the front, sometimes it's on the back, sometimes it's different places. But you've got that 16-digit number, you have access to me. Right, you remember the first 4 digits. Try your best. Try and remember the next 4. If you can try and remember any of those numbers, Dallas, that'd be great. I'm going to show you how a magician would steal someone's data. I need you to hold your hand out for me. You're going to be the guardian of the card with the number, okay? Put your other hand on top. Now I need a pen here. Because most magicians use a magic wand, I use a Sharpie marker. Do you see the Sharpie logo there? On this side and on this side. What's right there? Not there, there. This is going to be crazy. On 3. 1, 2, 3. That's the 16-digit number that you guys remember.
6207 is the first one.
2580 is the last.
But here's the crazy thing. This is the bit that's going to freak you the out. Not that I got the 16-digit number there. The fact that it's not on the card anymore. Have a look at the back.
No way!
Now this is one of my favourite pieces of magic to perform, and let me explain why. First of all, it ticks all the boxes as far as I'm concerned as a creator. It's easy to do. There's no angle issues. You don't need a table. You can do it walk around. It takes up almost no pocket space. It truly is an everyday carry. It instantly resets. You can do it anytime, anywhere, and it looks amazing. You see that 16-digit number? That's not a normal 16-digit number. It's actually a forcing matrix. The 16-digit number is made up of 4 banks of numbers. Each bank has 4 numbers, 16 altogether. You can either add up the numbers in one particular bank, or you can add one number up from each bank. What would you prefer?
I'd like to use one bank.
One bank. Pick one of the banks and add up the 4 numbers in that bank. I gave you a prediction in the way beginning. You remember it's an envelope and it says prediction on it. Inside that envelope, there was just one card and one card only. Nothing on that side, nothing else inside the envelope. And again, to recap, you picked a credit card at random. You then picked any numbers off that credit card at random. You then added them up. Any other choice would have led you to a completely different outcome, but you ended up on that outcome right there. And this has been in your possession the whole time. And you ended up one more time on what number?
15.
I predicted your number is 15. When you're out performing to real people, you want to do magic with items that everybody recognizes. And you want it to be impactful, you want it to be quick, and you want it to be visual. And that's what you have here. What's right there? Not that side, that side. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it doesn't feel like the numbers in the credit card.
My name's Craig Petty. Welcome to your new favorite everyday carry.
Yes!
Weird, man.
Welcome to Credit Crunch.
Hi Craig, I just need one more visual and then we're done.
Dude, it's been 8 hours today getting one more visual.
Just one, man. Just last one.
Ooh, it's bending. It's bending. It's bending. I'm out.